if you were to think of like the coolest car, the funnest car you'd like to ride all the way to the Hoover Dam in, what would be your kind of dream car?
Probably a smart car.
Smart car?
Yeah.
Huh, okay, that's cool. That's a good idea. Maybe we could.
This one.
Yeah. It looked like that one. What is that car doing parked next to our truck?
I don't know.
Let's check it out. It's unlocked.
Wait, did you put this here?
Why would I do that?
What? This is awesome! Wow! Ah! You lifted one!
Isn't that awesome?
What?
We're driving this today, buddy.
Yes! Wow! Oh, no way! I can't believe it! No way! Ah, this is crazy! I didn't even know he did this.
See how you look in it.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I can stick my hand out the room. I still cannot believe what I'm hearing.
Smart car trip to the Hoover Dam. Here we go.
Woohoo! Convertible smart car.
Yeah.
We're at the Hoover Dam, and we are going to go on a tour here. It was super easy to find a parking spot because we have a smart car today. My dad nicely rented it for me because it's like one of my dream cars, and I would really like to drive it all over the place. So we load that here, and we are going to take the tour that's more in depth of the dam. We're going to see a lot of behind the scenes stuff that most people don't get to see. So I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to watch the Hoover Dam movie.
Awesome. Our tour wasn't for 2 more hours, so we're going to check out the movie first and then see everything that we can see here before going on our tour of the Hoover Dam.
Seeking ways to tame the Colorado through the engineering skills of the Bureau of Reclamation. But with 7 states disputing how much of the river's water each could claim.
I encourage you to go upstairs, check out our exhibits, the models, and the great view from the observation deck.
The Hoover Dam was built to control the water of the Colorado River. Every year in the 1920s, a flood would wash out everything. So the Hoover Dam was built. So we noticed on this clock tower it says Nevada time, the middle clip on that other tower, and it says Arizona time. So that's the state line.
So right now we are descending 537 feet down inside Black Canyon.
So fast out that pipe that it could fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in 7 seconds. So now we're on the second part of the tour. Only the red, white, and blue wristbands get to do this, so lucky you're watching this video.
We'll go through an aluminum gate Then we're gonna walk literally 300 feet into the dam itself.
These are the 350 steps that they used to use to get down here.
What's the main thing you were thinking about the whole time we were doing the tour?
Smart car.
That's awesome.
I also listened to what he was saying, mostly what he was saying, but every time he wasn't saying, I thought about smart car.